Hello, today I'm going to show you SWAN sink stainer basket. This is, it comes like three piece. You can put it like that. Suitable for most sinks, multifunctional sinks, drain basket, effectively filter out food scraps, fish scales, bones. And this is the made in stainless steel food. Trap is made of stainless steel and can use it for a long time. And you can clean your fruit like that, putting water like that. You can use as a cleaning water, or when you are doing the hot food, you can put it here. You can make it colder. It's easy to use. Hanging like that. You can hang like that here or here, wherever you want. You can put it like that. After this one, after the hanging steel sink stainer basket can also be used to clean vegetable and fruits, sponge, dishwashing, brushes. Make your sink no longer messy. Keep your kitchen table tidy. Thank you for watching.